Hello, and welcome to part 2 of the multi-part presentation. As mentioned in the part 1 PowerPoint briefing, we will cover information on how to get to course material in this presentation. We will take a brief look at how the course is structured, and we'll look at an example on how to submit your work. When you are able to start working on course material, select course content. Keep in mind, the course assignments are usually not available until your class start date. When you get to the content screen, here is an example of what the area may look like. The page may start with information from the instructor or course manager. Under that, you will see information pertaining to the layout for each block of instruction available to you. Each block will show in sequential order. Here, you may only see or have access to the block you are working on, or you may see the block you are working in along with blocks you have already completed. When completing course material, the blocks will open in sequential order on the dates they are scheduled to open. Sometimes the next block will open as scheduled, and you may still be working on a lesson or two in the current block you are in. Make sure you complete all requirements for the current block before starting the next one. To access block material, just select the block title. Each block has a similar layout as shown here. The page starts with a description of block information, followed by tables providing unit information on assignment requirements, the academic due day, and estimated times pertaining to units in the block you will be working on. If your tables don't show calendar dates, refer to your syllabus to see what the actual calendar date is for the assignment due day. For example, day 1 is usually the class start date. If the start date is 14 February, the syllabus would show 14 February as day 1, and it will show all subsequent calendar dates for each academic day in the course as applicable. Below the tables, you will see the links to each unit that make up the block. Each unit should be completed in sequential order. This shows a sample of what a unit layout may look like. Each unit will have a table outlining lesson requirements. Looking at this example, notice how the information outlined in the table is shown below the table, but with more detailed instructions. For example, the table lists 4 items. Below the table, each item is shown with more detail for the required readings, optional readings, the workbook exercise assignment, and the progress check. As you go through course materials, we can't stress enough that you view and read the information provided, and please follow all instructions. In addition to using the course menu on the left side, this is another way to navigate within the course material. Now, after completing assignments, such as your workbook exercises and progress checks, you need to submit them for evaluation. This page shows what the screen may look like to upload assignments. As you go through the course, you may download documents to your computer to complete assignments. Sometimes we may forget where we placed the file on our computer. An easy way is to copy the file to the desktop. This helps in locating the file to upload for assignment submission. You may or may not want to do this, but it makes it easier to locate your files, and then you can delete the files you don't want to keep. Here are some notes to pass on as we prepare to close out this presentation. There will be opportunities throughout the course for you to provide comments. As shown here, at the bottom of the page in each unit of a block, you will see a time allocation survey. This gives you a chance to let us know how much time it took for you to complete an assignment and to share valuable and constructive feedback on unit information. This helps in making the course better. At the end of each block, you will have a chance to provide feedback on the block you just finished. And after the last block in this course, you will be able to give feedback on the course. We briefly covered these two areas, structure of the course and how to submit an assignment. As you progress through the course, do not hesitate to contact your instructor if you have questions or need assistance. We hope you enjoy your time throughout the next few weeks of training.